Are you still typing on your iPhone like this? Allow me to save you some precious time. First up is using the keyboard with one hand. If you feel that reaching the other edge of the keyboard is a stretch, just tap and hold on the emoji or globe icon on this corner of the screen, and then select either the left or the right keyboard button to nudge the whole keyboard in that direction. So since I'm right-handed, let me show you the right side of it. Pun intended. And now you can type with just one hand without having to stretch all the way to type the Q or the A or the Z keys. And to get back to the full-size keyboard, you just have to press on this arrow over here. And next up is using the keyboard as a giant tracking surface. You see how I'm fiddling around to get back to this one typo I made? Well, fret not, my friend, I know of a better way than that. Just tap and hold on the spacebar, and then you can move around to move the cursor along with your finger. Just that easy. Well, now I can precisely go back to my typo and ask you to actually like this video. And to everyone with the big fingers like me, you're welcome. But this next one is for the fast typers. To enable this, you have to go into Settings, and under General, within the keyboard section is hidden quite at the very bottom of the screen is a slide to type. Enabling this function, if it's not already enabled by default, will allow you to swipe from letter to form whole words and sentences quite literally without lifting a finger. But what if I want to insert an emoji and I don't have the time to search for it? All I have to do is type a brief description, and it's going to show up on this part of the predictions, and tapping on it will replace the text automatically with that emoji. And if that was not enough to quench your thirst for speed while typing, you could add custom text replacements to save you more time. And for this, again, we have to head over into the Settings app, go to General, then Keyboard, and find Text Replacement. Tapping on this will give you a list of text replacements that you've already added. These ones are probably there by default, but to add a new one, you have to press on this plus icon and then enter a phrase. So you could use this in all sorts of places, like replacing your address with a shortcut or even an email address for that matter. The simpler it is, the easier it is to remember. So I'm just going to put in ADR for address and hit save. So now every time you type in the shortcut, like I do ADR over here, the phrase will show up in the predictions in this section. Tapping on it will replace the shortcut with the whole phrase, or if you have enabled autocorrect like me, hitting space will automatically replace it. Wait, what's this secret button? That was not in the address.